Okay, question 10. Draw two more shapes so that the completed pattern has rotational symmetry of order 4, about O. Okay, so that means rotational symmetry order 4 about O means that as you turn the shape, it will look exactly the same 4 times in one complete turn. Right, as soon as you do rotational symmetry, always ask for a piece of tracing paper. There it is. Pop it over the top. First of all, I'm going to draw my axes on. About being accurate. Take your time with these questions. There's no need to get them wrong. There we go. There's the axes drawn. And I'm going to shade in the squares. So I can clearly see where the shape is. There we are. Shade it all in. And the shape down here. Okay, so now we're going to turn it very carefully. A quarter turn. And pull those shapes in. Okay, now this bit is a bit of a bodge, but you just need to be careful. So looking at it carefully now, we can see that those two squares need to be shaded in. So I'm just going to put a little line there so I know what I'm doing. These two across there. So again, nice little line just so I can see what I'm doing. And then those two squares above. So there and there. Okay. On this one, a bit more awkward with the books by there. 2 down like that. Okay. So in line with that, put 2 down. Okay. Another 2 across. There and there. And then 2 down. Okay. So I'll just check now by turning it again. Yep, that works. That works. So they're in the right places. And all I need to do now is shade them in more clearly. You have a better pencil for shading than me. This is quite sharp for shading. So there you go. Okay, part B now. So it says draw all the lines of symmetry on the following diagram. Right, so when we're talking about lines of symmetry, we're talking about mirror lines. So we can see that the first one goes down here. And once we've put the first one on, it kind of gives us a clue because we've gone through the point of one to the opposite side. So if we do that again here, we'll have another line of symmetry. And again here. So each time I'm starting off at the point, I'm going through to the opposite side. And if I just stop there, I can see that it doesn't look quite right because I've missed that one. Okay, now looking at it, I can see now that it is symmetrical and I can see it looks right. Okay, I'd probably take a little bit longer over this part as well, shading it in nicely in an exam, because at the moment it looks a bit scruffy, doesn't it?